I'm Oliver Sloup with Blue Line Futures, coming to you from the Chicago Board of Trade with another episode of Tech Talk. Today is Tuesday, July 28th, and the market of interest, as you can see here, is November soybeans. That's the new crop contract, and we did see a lot of pressure in the overnight and early morning session. That on the back of a better than expected crop progress report. Was that bearish enough for a 15+ cent move to the downside? I'm not so sure it was, and a lot of that move, keep in mind, was in the overnight session. Once we opened up, we saw pressure on the open, but really just chopped sideways after holding this significant technical support pocket. And we had this as our pivot pocket in this morning's Grain Express, kind of a fundamental and technical backdrop that we send out to clients each and every day. We define that as basically 886 to 889. We've got trend line support, but also we often talk about previously important price points. As you can see here, this was previous resistance, now becomes support. We managed to hold that, which was a must for the bull camp. A break and close below that level could have potentially opened the door for some accelerated selling pressure, taking us down towards this 870 area, potentially down to 860. But we held that, marking higher lows. Hopefully we can see this market rebound and make higher highs back above these July 6th highs, 910 to 912, which is a 50% retracement. Previous support and the breakdown point as well from back in February and March. If we get out above there, I think the market could potentially make an additional run towards this 930 level, continue to kind of stair-step higher. A lot of people are always looking for bigger directional moves, a huge move higher, a huge move lower. We like to take things one day at a time, so holding this today was a good step in the right direction, but we really want to see some momentum to the upside come into the market. From a risk-reward perspective, we think favors the buy side down at these levels. Again, break them close below here. You rip the Band-Aid off, you take your medicine, and you move on to the next trade. But that's what we're looking at. That's what you should be looking at too. This has been Oliver Sloup with Blue Line Futures from the Chicago Board of Trade. Remember, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Thanks a lot.